like right here, right?
Yeah. Can I have 3 number 2s?
3 number 2s?
Yes, all with Coke.
All with Coke?
Yes.
That's all.
Anything else?
Yeah, can I have 1 number 6 with a Sprite?
Number 6, crispy or grilled?
Crispy.
What do you want?
Crispy.
Crispy.
Crispy with Sprite?
Yes.
Anything else?
4 apple pies.
Anything else?
That's it.
$24.79, first window.
Jesus, that's a scam. Are you filming with my camera?
Oh my god, yeah.
Dude, back up a bit. It's not that tinted. Fuck.
No, but I'm getting a better picture. Stop pitching at me, blow the horn.
Here it comes.